Howdy y'all, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101. This is my channel, Best Houston Apartments. Hey, we're at the Lenox Timbergrove, and I do want to show off their garage. So they've got a really cool garage, frankly. That's where you drive in. That's one of the two drive-in areas. You drive in, there's plenty of parking for residents. And then they've got a huge garage that's just for residents. These are actually for residents or guests, and they're open to the street. So I like seeing that. But then there's a garage that you drive through, and you'll have parking access to the in this garage, and it'll be included. So I just wanted to show this off to you. It's really pretty. It's so new. I mean, look at how new and nice it looks. And this is actually the access point that you'd have, to it. Right now, it's being worked on, but this is the access point where you'd be able to get to the garage. And it's got a really nice professional gate that comes down and then it comes up when you get close. So anyway, that's what it looks like. That's your parking that is included in the garage. If you have questions at any time, send me a text. Just use the number below.